Wagwan again, all of my Silk Reacts people. Big up on yourself. What's up? How y'all doing? Y'all doing okay? Yes? Alright, keep it that way. Subscribe right now, people. You understand? This is Tielo Lanez, Mock Chuck. Yes, not the Chuck where y'all look on now. Yeah. Yes, baby girl, come here. Come here, baby girl. Subscribe to my channel first before you turn around. You understand? Yeah. People, this artist never fail, bro. This song have to play in dancehall, bro, and at party, bro. This song have to play, bro.
Blood clot. Slurp says she love chip spit. She love big dick all when it can't fit. And a smoothie, but look how the come tick tick. Slim gal kitty fat, but my love tick bitch. She fuck with me cause she love live rich. Country gal, she know how for broke big stick.
Hey, me rate how he big up the slim girl them and the thick girl them one time. Yo, this artist full of lyrics, bro. Just
tough, yeah, gal, I'm a can she full from a cocky with enough lipstick. Balance, gal, right bank, cocky don't jump off your bumper. It never silicone and a knock off. Gal, titty them just too pretty for your blouse, take it up off. Foreign granny.
Yo, this artist is tough, bro. This song have to play in dancehall, bro. In party, this song have to play. Without this song playing, bro, there's no females at your party, bro. Be honest.
She come in a yard for me, bingo, because she never come in a jazz. She says she too old for the love, but says she never too old for your because if you a sell pum pum up we buy, and I will spend for make the panty fly. One the more, not so much like the shy. Use the front for cash, that a good sacrifice. But to fly, if I idiot for try, she say cash for run, nah, get that no blind. Subtract it from out them and life, and then not add it to mine. Baby, you the baddie of the night. You want me and I can see it in your eyes. Niggas die trying to get between them thighs. I don't know what's up with them, baby. That
this artist is not a failure, bro. Full of lyrics, bro. No cap, tough like stone. Ladies, people, y'all can do some TikTok challenge on this song also, bro. Right over on TikTok, even on anywhere, bro, any app, bro. Just run it, bro. Just run the challenge, bro. Just run it.
Any suspicious of you living every night? Don't you forget I'm just a nigga on the side. I'm cool with it, baby. You never gotta lie. You a real mock truck. Stop pretending to be shy. Slap says she love chip spit. She love big dick all when it can't fit. And a smoothie, but look how the come tick tick. Slim gal kitty fat, but my love tick.
Valiant is on this song too, girl. Make you go on so. Oh yeah, move so. To your body big. Make you go on so. Eh? You know, you make me wiggle like a worm. Baby girl, even, hold on. Vibes Cartel is on this rhythm also. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Joe, this
one. With me cause she love live rich. Country girl, she know how for broke big stick. Tough, the girl I'm a can she full from a cocky with enough lipstick.
This song after playing party, without this song playing in party, bro, there's no girls at your party, bro. Play it.
Pussy tighty, tight, slippery, wet and tiny. Precious like a timepiece. You fuck one time and timey. Girl, your pussy tighty, and slippery, wet and tiny. You're precious like a timepiece. You fuck one time and timey. Slurp says she love chip spit. She love big dick all when it can't fit. And a smoothie, but look how the come tick tick. Slim gal kitty fat, but my love tick bitch. She fuck with me cause she love live rich. Country gal, she know how for broke big stick. Tough, your gal I'm a can she full from a cocky with no lipstick. Balance,
people, balance right now and subscribe to your channel right now. This is Silk Reacts, people. Y'all reach the end of the video. This artist Tielo Lanez, bro, is not a failure, bro. Tough. This artist got lyrics, bro. One DJ man, big up yourself to youth. You understand? Bad rhythm. Like y'all go on, so mock chuck, one mock chuck out the pop. Peep peep, you see me I say. The things more go more while people. Subscribe to this channel over on YouTube, bro. One Code Music. Y'all will hear this song over there, bro. Trust me, bro. I guess there's no 3 artists now is on this rhythm, and there will be more in the future. So Tielo Lanez, Valiant, and Vibes Cartel. Yeah, 3 songs that I know of. Maybe more songs that do not authorize. Maybe. But people, y'all reach the end of this video right now. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much. I'm out.